Welcome back, you guys. I'm Liana, and I'm the founder of SL Raw Version Hair, and I have some great information that I'm ready to share with you guys today. I'm going to be clearing up a lot of you guys' questions, and I'm going to be answering questions about microlink hair extensions. So, I will be covering four main questions that we get at SL Raw Version Hair, and we're going to go ahead and start with one. Will microlinks damage my hair? Just with any service, it's always important to vet out your hairstylist and to make sure that you're going to someone that is a licensed, certified professional. If your hairstylist is certified in installing microlink hair extensions, then they are completely safe. Microlinks are safe to put in and non-damaging to your hair. However, if you were to go to someone who is not certified in installing microlink hair extensions, this can cause damage to your hair if it is not properly measured and scaled to ratio per eye tip. Since this install only requires you to put in a micro bead and clamp it down with the eye tip, it is completely safe and easy to remove. Moving on to question number 2. How long does microlink hair extensions last? To determine how long microlink hair extensions will last will be determined on your healthy hair care routine. If you are following instructions and using high quality hair products like shampoos and conditioners, making sure you're trimming your ends and you're not overusing your heat, and also making sure that you're not pulling or tugging, these can actually last you for a very long time. And if your install is installed correctly by a licensed professional and you're going in for your routine maintenance once a month or twice a month, then these can actually last you anywhere between 4 to 6 months with proper maintenance. Question number 3. Are microlink hair extensions reusable? When purchasing your hair from SL Raw Version Hair and installing it as a microlink application, it is absolutely reusable as long as you're using a micro bead. If you decide to opt in for fusion installation, where this is a hot fusion, then those eye tips cannot be reused as that's a one-time application. Last but not least, why are microlinks so expensive? When determining the cost for your microlink application, you have to take in consideration that these people, licensed and certified, have spent a lot of time educating themselves to make sure that they keep and maintain the integrity of your hair to keep it safe. The application itself, depending on the circumference of your head and how long your hair is, it can take anywhere between 6 hours to 8 hours. When we're talking about the eye tips itself, these take a very long time to manufacture because we're handling them with strands by strands of hair to make sure that those hairs are intact and great for you to be able to reuse and install again. So keep in mind when you're buying microlink hair extensions that it does come with a hefty price, but it does pay out in the end because remember, it's always quality over quantity. Thank you guys for stopping by. I hope I was able to answer all your questions today. We look forward to servicing you over at SL Raw Version Hair. See you soon.